It's like spread.
Okay, so we got concrete and asphalt. So this is asphalt.
This is
And
a lot
then
of this
that's
asphalt is
concrete?
the concrete underneath the asphalt,
Okay.
where this is the cover that goes on top of it that seals it so the water doesn't get in and ruin it.
Okay.
So we'll see what that does to the water.
Yeah. So we're placing it all in a bucket, and then we're gonna pour water over them. So then it's like so we're gonna act like it's raining, and then we're gonna see how it affects the water. Here is our very, 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 very clean water. So pouring it on this.
Looks like when you find this stuff, this comes from the street that's right on the edge that doesn't have the protective sealant over it.
Okay. It doesn't absorb it, but it just kind of dirties it up. You can tell by the dirt. This absorbed the water and all the stuff it couldn't absorb. It just spit out.
Spit out.
That's just the top. So it doesn't really do anything, but this is the bottom, and we're gonna see if it absorbs in the bottom. Well, it absorbs it a little bit, but it's mostly it's water resistant. Let's call it that. I wouldn't say it's waterproof.
So this really absorbs the water.
So concrete really does, and asphalt not so much.
Because of the protective layer over it that is built to seal the water out. But what it actually puts in the water
is something different.
Dirty little particles coming off that will go into the water, but those will be easy to filter out because they're chunky and you can feel them.
Yeah.
So any small filter will filter all of these little tiny particles that come off.
Yeah. These start to crumble, which will get into your water, so you don't want that.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just got rocks and smaller rocks and sand and finer sand plus dirty water, and we're gonna make a water filter.
Oh, and charcoal.
Plus charcoal, our most important activated charcoal. A water bottle. Yeah. So now we're just cotton balls. Usually we would use a cotton
balls or
cotton
pads.
Cotton pad.
Not like
yeah.
yeah.
Anyways, so usually you would use like a cotton shirt, but we don't want to rip up any of McKinley's shirts, so we're using.
And they don't really have any.
Yeah, so
I don't think. That
you can really see.
You could like really see through this one, whereas this one it's still kind of like
Cloudy.
cloudy.
Now, I don't think we have enough water to actually boil this, but if you were doing this on a very large scale, you could boil it and it would be totally fine to drink, but it just proves that asphalt and concrete do ruin your water.
So that answers your question, Miss Shermer.
Ha!
Ending.
Bye!